Here we have JBL Go 3. The JBL Go 3 is a portable Bluetooth speaker that's designed to bring your favorite songs with you on the go. It's one of the manufacturer's smaller offerings, with a built-in hook so you can attach it to your bag or backpack, as well as an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. This simple speaker doesn't offer access to any of JBL's companion apps, and you can't customize its sound, but it's still a solid Bluetooth device for your next outdoor adventure. Its build quality is impressive. Its materials feel solid, and there's a tight netting that wraps around most of the speaker in its carrying strap. The sides and the rear have a rubber finish. It also has an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, so it's certified to be fully dust-tight and immersible in up to a meter of water for 30 minutes. This small and compact speaker fits easily in your hand. There's a built-in hook on the side, meaning you can hang it from your bag or backpack. There's a large JBL logo on the front, and you can choose from lots of different color variants based on your preferences. The JBL Go 3 is incredibly portable. You can easily carry it in one hand, and you can use its built-in carrying strap to attach it to your bag or suspend it from a hook. The JBL Go 3 is middling for music. It's designed to help you bring your favorite tunes with you on the go, with a small and compact build that means you don't get a lot of thump in the low bass. Still, it's suitable for lots of other genres, as voices and lead instruments reproduce with clarity and accuracy. It's loud enough to keep you entertained on your next hike. However, it can't fill larger rooms with sound. There aren't any customization options for its sound, either. The JBL Go 3 is decent for podcasts. With its balanced mids, voices are reproduced with great clarity and accuracy, so dialogue is easy to follow in your favorite shows. Its lightweight design makes it easy to bring with you, too, so you can move your show from room to room as you listen. It's better for smaller rooms since it doesn't get loud enough to fill more open areas with sound. So, that's all about the video. I hope that you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.